Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send files through Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two separate methods of doing this. One is manually sending the link to somebody, and the second is to actually share them access through your Drive settings. Now, as you can see, I already have a file in my Drive and I have created a new folder, and let me say, let me just try and share this file with somebody. Now, as you can see, what you can do with this folder or this file, you can click on it and then click Manage Access. And from here, you can, as you can see, add people, groups, and calendar events. You can just tap or enter anybody's email address or Gmail address or Gmail account rather, and then just click there and add them as a person with access. And then you can set general access to anyone with the link or pretty much everybody. And you can set manually what everybody can do, whether they can view it, comment, or edit it. And you can just click done and then you'll be set. You can also click copy link here, or if you want to, you can click on these ellipses to the right and then hover over share and then click copy link. And as you can see, the link has been copied and now you can send it to anyone that you want manually. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.